But first, I spoke with Catherine Briggs, the Development Director for LifeSpring Community Health.
Catherine Briggs joining me now from LifeSprings. We are talking about you all are having an upcoming breakfast. But before we talk about the breakfast and why you're holding the breakfast, who benefits from the breakfast, first of all, let's talk about LifeSprings. Who are you? What is your mission?
LifeSpring exists to demonstrate the love of Jesus Christ by providing exemplary pediatric care and innovative services, embracing the whole child and serving the family and transforming the health of our community.
Let's talk about the need for that, for a place when it comes to pediatric care and making sure that everyone has access, because we know that there is such a serious disparity in healthcare. And it shows when you look at statistics, when you look at children who get started and they don't have access to healthcare, and they grow up and they have problems that were preventable. So this is so important.
That's right. You're so right. And LifeSpring started as a response to a need. Back in 2006, an elementary school teacher was concerned about her uninsured students who weren't receiving any medical care. And Dr. Michelle Pickett and registered nurse Jill Fickert got together and started a free after-school clinic. And then in 2010, we became our own nonprofit, and now we've grown and expanded, and we moved during the pandemic to our current location across the street from the Erlanger Medical Mall in the Simpa Medical Building. And we are doing something different from anyone else in Chattanooga. We're providing pediatric care that is preventative, holistic, relational, culturally appropriate, and empowering. And uniquely, we have community health workers that go outside of the clinic to the places where our pediatric patients live and their families work and go to school, to navigate with the families and identify and eliminate those barriers that you mentioned.
And that's so important, going to them and meeting them where they are. And one of the things when you start thinking about that and pediatric cases right now, like we're getting in the flu season, COVID is a huge concern right now with children. Talk about how you all can play a role in helping and keeping children safe and healthy.
Well, in order for children to be healthy, they need to be in a community that is healthy. And so we at LifeSpring saw a need for free and accessible COVID testing in our community. And so in the fall, we started testing at our old site on McCauley Avenue, and we have not stopped providing free testing to the community. And then we were among the first to receive the COVID vaccine from the Hamilton County Department of Health. And we started giving vaccines on February 17th, and we haven't stopped. And we've been partnering with the city of Chattanooga, with the YMCA, with schools and local churches and other organizations. And we've gone to homeless encampments, we've gone to homes, as well as partnering at the Downtown Public Library, to name a few of our partnerships. We see it as a critical need in our community.
There is a critical need. How, and just the importance of getting that message out and getting correct information out, and accurate information about the vaccine. What are you finding when you're going out telling people about the need to get vaccinated?
Well, we've all realized there has been hesitancy and fear and resistance. And so we have tried to be an agent of change and to help and serve our community in this moment of great need. And so the pediatric clinic is a great platform for us to meet with patients and families and educate them and get them to the point where they're comfortable and ready to protect themselves and their families. And we also connect with the community on social media and on our website, and we take every opportunity to engage with partners in the community who are doing great work as well.
That is so important. Okay, let's talk about, before we wrap up, this breakfast and what your event you have coming up.
Great. We're so excited about our annual benefit. It's going to be all virtual, and it is Saturday, September 25th from 9 to 10 a.m. And we're going to do a Zoom event, and we're going to have local leaders and community leaders. Our co-founder and executive director, Dr. Michelle Pickett, and we're going to have the Chattanooga Girls Leadership Academy Choir perform, and everyone can watch from the safety of their own homes. And we're inviting everyone to hear the LifeSpring story and partner with us to serve more children and families in the greater Chattanooga area.
Well, that is, it's so important. Like you said, there is such a need for your services in this community. And we want to make sure that everyone knows about this event and how they can take part. So we know that this is a virtual event. So again, that they will be able to just get the link to go on and to support this event and take part in this event.
Yes, connect with us on our website, www.lifespringcommunityhealth.org, or connect with us on Facebook or Instagram.
Get ready for a different kind of experience when it comes to the arts. Mark your calendar for the latest pop-up project.